Traditionally, women were leading the pastry department and they were treated like little girls. I really wanted a place where women could work with other women and support each other and feel respected for the work that they created. I'm Susan Sarich, founder of SusieCakes Bakeries. I was inspired to found SusieCakes Bakeries in my early 30s when I was living in California and did not find any restaurant or bakery that was offering good Midwest desserts like I grew up with both of my grandmothers. Their names were Mildred and Madeline, and every time I was at their homes, there was always an amazing baked good on the kitchen table when we were together. I think nostalgia plays a role today more than ever because people are craving connection. When there is a cake on the table, people are celebrating that person. Your heart is full. You feel love. I just think this world could use more of that. We bring an old-fashioned feeling into all of our recipes and branding because we use the original recipes that my grandmothers made back in the 50s and 60s and 70s. Cracking eggs, opening the butter, using real whole milk. It makes a difference in how the cake tastes. My most favorite and cherished recipe is our vanilla celebration cake. It is made with real vanilla and real butter and real cream, and it is Susie blue, which is the color of my grandmother's mixing bowl. The lessons that I learned from my two grandmothers formed the woman I am today and really formed SusieCakes. Had I listened to naysayers and not had the voice of my grandmothers saying, you can do anything, you can be anything in this country you want to be, this was coming from women of an era that couldn't be anything. Today, even though they haven't seen SusieCakes or been here to experience all the beauty and joy that really their life's work has brought, I know that they're here with me and with my team sharing these great baked goods.